Water in Geelong is becoming scarce. As the earth heats up, less rain falls and the demand for water in hotter conditions rises. The population is rapidly increasing, which is quickly draining our reservoirs, and Geelong is on the verge of a major drought. If this happens, crops will die, livestock will perish, bushfires will reign supreme, and natural landscapes will cease to exist. We need to do everything we can to save every drop of water without taking more from the natural areas that need it too.
This issue is made up from varieties of different problems, majority man-made. Global warming is decreasing the amount of rainfall, which is caused from people's machines and vehicles, emitting unnatural gases. Too much water is being consumed from humans showering too long and being selfish with water. We need new ways to get water, and the best way to do this is to rely on Class A recycled water to drink.
It is essential for people to use Class A water in Victoria if you want to continue a consistent lifestyle, free of worrying about where we will get water from next. Although the solution seems simple, use Class A recycled water for drinking, this is not the case. The government must approve the use of recycled water for drinking, which is a difficult task. Here is an ad we have made to promote the use of Class A drinking water.